Apsys Vitium Online Training. Introduction to Apsys Vitium. Apsys Vitium, Visual Task and Operations Manager, is a versatile workload automation and orchestration solution designed to streamline and manage IT tasks and processes across heterogeneous environments. It provides an intuitive graphical interface for scheduling, monitoring, and managing workflows, ensuring operational efficiency and agility in complex IT systems. Key features of Apsys Vitium. Graphical workflow design provides an easy-to-use graphical interface for creating, visualizing, and modifying workflows. Supports drag-and-drop functionality for designing task dependencies. Multi-platform support. Compatible with various operating systems, databases, and applications, ensuring seamless integration into diverse IT environments. Dynamic scheduling. Supports dynamic and event-based scheduling to adapt workflows to changing business conditions in real time. Monitoring and alerts. Offers real-time monitoring of processes with detailed dashboards. Includes robust alerting mechanisms to notify stakeholders of issues or delays. Scalability. Handles large-scale operations, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Efficiently manages growing workloads without performance degradation. Security. Includes role-based access control, RBAC, to ensure secure operations and data integrity. Provides auditing and compliance features to meet regulatory requirements. API and integration. Features APIs for integration with third-party tools and platforms, enabling a cohesive IT ecosystem. Disaster recovery. Ensures high availability and disaster recovery through redundant configurations and failover mechanisms. Benefits of using Apsys Vitium. Improved efficiency. Automates repetitive tasks and processes, reducing manual intervention. Reduced errors. Ensures consistency and minimizes human errors in task execution. Enhanced visibility. Provides a clear overview of all operations, helping in better decision-making. Cost savings. Optimizes resource utilization and reduces operational costs. Adaptability. Quickly adapts to new requirements, supporting business agility. Key features of Apsys Vitium. Apsys Vitium is a robust job scheduling and workload automation software designed to streamline IT processes and optimize resource utilization. Below are its key features. 1. Centralized workload automation. Unified platform, centralized control of batch jobs, workflows, and processes across diverse IT systems and applications. Cross-platform support, compatible with multiple operating systems, Windows, Linux, Unix, and environments, cloud, on-premises, hybrid. 2. Workflow and job scheduling. Graphical interface, intuitive drag-and-drop interface for designing workflows and job dependencies. Advanced scheduling, flexible triggers, time-based, event-based, file-based, to initiate jobs. Dependency management, ensures jobs are executed in the correct sequence based on prerequisites. 3. Monitoring and alerts. Real-time monitoring, live dashboards for tracking job statuses and system performance. Automated alerts, notifications via email, SMS, or other channels for job failures or delays. Error handling, configurable recovery actions for handling failures. 4. Scalability and performance. Resource optimization, efficient allocation of system resources to avoid bottlenecks. Scalable architecture supports growing workloads and business needs without performance degradation. 5. Security and compliance. Role-based access control, RBAC ensures that users only access authorized functionalities and data. Audit trails, logs for tracking job executions and user actions, aiding in compliance requirements. Encryption, secure transmission and storage of data. 6. Integration capabilities. Third-party tools, seamless integration with ERP systems, example SAP, databases, and applications. API support, extensibility through APIs for custom integrations and automation. Cloud compatibility, supports workflows across cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. 7. High availability and redundancy. Failover mechanisms ensures continuity by switching to backup systems during failures. Redundancy configurations minimizes downtime and guarantees service availability. 8. Reporting and analytics. Custom reports generate detailed reports on workload performance and job execution. Trend analysis, insights into system utilization and potential optimizations. KPI dashboards, visualize critical performance metrics in real time. 9. Multi-environment management. Dev Test Prod Isolation supports separate environments for development, testing, and production workflows. Environment synchronization, simplified migration of jobs and workflows between environments. Apsys VTOM architecture. Apsys VTOM architecture refers to the framework that supports VTOM, a powerful scheduling and automation tool for managing IT workflows and processes. The architecture is designed to provide scalability, flexibility, and high availability for diverse IT environments. Below is an overview of its components and their roles. Key architectural components. VTOM server acts as the core of the system, managing all scheduling and execution logic. Maintains the database of job definitions, schedules, and execution states. Handles communication with agents and interfaces. VTOM agents deployed on managed systems, Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Responsible for executing tasks as directed by the VTOM server. Report job statuses and execution logs back to the server. VTOM console provides a graphical interface for administrators and operators. Enables users to define workflows, monitor execution, and manage jobs interactively. Includes features for visualizing dependencies and troubleshooting. Database stores all metadata, including job definitions, schedules, logs, and execution histories. Typically a relational database like Oracle, SQL Server, or PostgreSQL. Ensures data integrity and supports reporting and analytics. Web interface, optional. Allows remote access for job monitoring and management through a browser. Facilitates collaboration and accessibility for distributed teams. Integration APIs. Provide REST or SOAP APIs for integrating VTOM with other systems, example ERP, CRM, custom applications. Support automation and orchestration across heterogeneous environments. Core functional capabilities. Distributed architecture. Supports deployment across multiple servers and agents for scalability. Ensures resilience through redundancy and load balancing. Cross-platform support. Manages jobs across diverse operating systems and environments. Ensures seamless integration in heterogeneous IT landscapes. High availability. Features like server clustering and failover mechanisms ensure uninterrupted operation. Getting started with Apsys VTOM. Apsys VTOM, Visual Tools for Operations Management, is a powerful workload automation solution designed to help organizations manage, schedule, and monitor their IT workflows and processes. Here's a guide to get started. 1. Understand VTOM's features and benefits. Before diving into the tool, it's essential to grasp its capabilities. Workload automation automates repetitive IT tasks and processes. Real-time monitoring provides dashboards for tracking job statuses. Multi-environment support handles tasks across multiple environments, on-premise, cloud, or hybrid. Error handling, built-in mechanisms to manage failures and retries. User-friendly interface offers a visual interface for designing workflows. To install and configure VTOM. Obtain the software. Get the installer from the Apsys website or their official distributor. System requirements. Verify the system meets hardware and software requirements, OS, RAM, disk space. Install components. Server component handles the automation engine. Console component provides the graphical interface for users. Agent components deployed on systems where tasks will run. 3. Configure VTOM. Define environments. Configure environments for development, testing, or production. Set up agents. Install and configure agents on all systems involved in workflows. Connect data sources. Establish connections to databases, file systems, or cloud services as needed. 4. Learn the interface. Familiarize yourself with the VTOM console. Dashboard displays the status of tasks and workflows. Workflow Designer, a visual drag-and-drop tool for creating workflows. Logs and alerts, tools to review execution history and manage alerts. 5. Create and automate workflows. Define jobs. Identify tasks to automate, example backups, data transfers, batch processing. Workflow automation in Apsys VTOM. Workflow automation in Apsys VTOM focuses on the efficient management and execution of IT workflows and job scheduling in complex environments. Apsys VTOM is widely used in industries to streamline operational processes, optimize resource usage, and ensure reliability in IT tasks. Below are key aspects of workflow automation with Apsys VTOM. Key features. Centralized job scheduling. Manage all workflows from a single interface. Coordinate tasks across distributed environments. Customizable workflows. Design workflows tailored to specific business needs. Use intuitive drag-and-drop tools for configuration. Dependency management. Handle task dependencies efficiently, time, resource, or event-based. Automate sequential and parallel processing. Event-driven automation. Trigger workflows based on specific events, such as file creation, system alerts, or user-defined triggers. Dynamic resource allocation. Optimize resource usage in real time based on task priority and system load. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Monitor workflows and job execution statuses. Receive notifications for errors, delays, or completion. Benefits. Increased efficiency, automate repetitive tasks and focus on strategic objectives. Error reduction, minimize human intervention, leading to fewer errors. Scalability, scale workflows easily to meet growing business demands. Compliance and auditing, maintain logs and history for compliance requirements. Advanced capabilities. Cross-platform support, seamlessly integrate workflows across different platforms like Linux, Windows, and cloud environments. Integration with third-party tools, connect with tools like ERPs, CRMs, and monitoring systems. Forecasting and simulation, predict workload impacts using simulation features for better planning. Role-based access control, enhance security by defining user-specific access to workflows. Use cases. Batch processing in banking, automating end-of-day processing for financial transactions. Supply chain management, scheduling logistics workflows across multiple regions. Healthcare, managing data synchronization between hospital management systems and external labs. Monitoring and reporting in Apsys Vitium. Monitoring and reporting are critical features of Apsys Vitium, a job scheduling and workload automation solution. These functionalities ensure that IT teams can track, analyze, and optimize workflows effectively. Below is an overview of monitoring and reporting capabilities in Vitium. Monitoring in Apsys Vitium. Real-time monitoring. Dashboard view. Vitium provides a centralized dashboard to visualize ongoing job executions, dependencies, and system status. Alert management. Real-time alerts for job failures, delays, or SLA breaches. Job execution tracking. Detailed logs for job statuses like success, failure, or retries. Resource monitoring. Ensures resources like servers and databases are not overutilized. Event-driven monitoring. Monitors triggers or events to automatically start workflows based on predefined criteria. Custom thresholds for workload and system metrics. Dependency visualization. Graphical representation of job dependencies helps identify bottlenecks or potential points of failure. Integration with notification systems. Notifications via email, SMS, or integrations with incident management tools like ServiceNow or PagerDuty. Reporting in Apsys Vitium. Predefined reports. Includes standard reports for Job execution summaries. SLA compliance. Historical performance trends. Customizable reports. Build tailored reports to focus on specific metrics like error frequency or resource utilization. Historical data analysis. Access historical logs to analyze long-term trends in workflow performance and system utilization. Export capabilities. Export reports in formats like PDF, CSV, or integrate with BI tools for advanced analytics. Compliance and audit. Detailed audit trails to ensure adherence to compliance standards. Provides logs for each action taken on workflows and jobs for transparency. Best practices. Set up alerts and notifications. Configure alerts to be informed of issues before they impact SLAs. Automate reporting. Schedule automated report generation and delivery for regular analysis. Integrate monitoring tools. Combine VTOM monitoring data with external tools like Grafana for enhanced visualization. Apsys VTOM integration capabilities. Apsys VTOM, Visual Task Orchestrator Manager, is a comprehensive workload automation and scheduling tool. Its integration capabilities are designed to ensure seamless interaction with diverse systems, applications, and tools in an IT environment. Here's an overview of its integration capabilities. 1. Application integration. ERP systems integrates with platforms like SAP, Oracle E-Business Suite, and Microsoft Dynamics to schedule and manage tasks related to financials, supply chain, and other ERP modules. Database systems supports integration with databases like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and others for automated query execution, backups, and maintenance tasks. Business applications connects to CRM, HR, and other business applications to streamline workflows across departments. 2. Cloud and hybrid environments. Cloud platforms offers connectors for major cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud for workload management in cloud-native and hybrid environments. Containers integrates with container orchestration platforms like Kubernetes and Docker to manage tasks within containerized environments. 3. DevOps tools. CI/CD pipelines works seamlessly with DevOps tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and Bamboo for automating build and deployment processes. Version control systems connects with Git, SVN, and other version control systems to schedule code integration and deployment tasks. 4. File transfers. FTP SFTP automates file transfers across systems securely. Managed file transfer MFT integrates with MFT tools for secure and automated data exchanges. 5. Monitoring and alerting tools. IT monitoring systems integrates with tools like Nagios, Zabbix, and SolarWinds for enhanced monitoring and proactive task management. Alerting systems configures email, SMS, and other alert mechanisms for task failures or completion notifications. Why choose ProExcellency for Apsys VTOM online training? ProExcellency might be a preferred choice for Apsys VTOM online training for several reasons. 1. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency often provides trainers with industry experience in Apsys VTOM. They ensure that instructors have both theoretical knowledge and practical exposure. 2. Customized curriculum. Their training programs are tailored to meet the needs of learners, covering essential VTOM concepts such as workflow automation, monitoring, and scheduling, alongside advanced features. 3. Hands-on experience. The training emphasizes practical, hands-on labs that mirror real-world scenarios, enabling participants to gain confidence in using VTOM. 4. Flexibility. Online training sessions are designed to fit into your schedule, with options for both self-paced learning and instructor-led classes. 5. Post-training support. ProExcellency may offer post-training assistance, such as doubt resolution, access to recorded sessions, and help with certification exams. 6. Certification assistance. They guide participants in achieving relevant certifications for APSIS VTOM, which can boost career opportunities. 7. Affordable pricing. Competitive pricing and occasional discounts make the training accessible for professionals and students alike. 8. Community and networking. ProExcellency's alumni network can provide opportunities for professional connections and learning from peers. Thank you.